We'll read the sounds first and then give examples later. A, ow, I, E, oi, you, or, w, th, oo, o, or, e, a, e, I, o, u. Now I'm going to give you the sounds with example words. First up we have A, as in stay, play, away. A. Ow, out, about, shout. Sh, out, shout. I, tie, lied, fried. E, bead, see, flea. Oi, toy, boy, annoy. As in girl, girl, first, twirl. You, do you, cue, continue. Or, saw, awesome, lawn. When, whale, what. Phone, phonics, alpha. New, flew, chew. Toe, potatoes, goes. Autumn, haunt, August. Key, monkey, chimney. The next group of sounds involves the magic E. So this is where the E on the end of the word changes the vowel sound from an A to an A, changing this word from mad to aid, made. Pet becomes eat, Pete, but it's also a name, so it needs a capital P. Bit becomes bite, bite. Cod becomes code, code. And tub becomes tube. Let's go through the sounds one last time. A, ow, I, E, oi, you, or, w, th, oo, o, or, e, a, e, I, o, u. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.